Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we've got a 2022 Mazda BT50, stock number 6446. This ran from 2021 to the current shape. It has an RZ4E 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the RZ4E 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. The front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.